What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rel back with another video. Today I got 3 quick tips on how you can turn your side hustle into a full-time income. So stay tuned, check it out. Peace. As I said before, don't make my mistakes. I'm here to help. I'm trying to make sure y'all don't go through these years of struggles like I did. A lot of y'all might have it easier than me. It's because I was stupid. Okay, so here's what you should be doing in order to stay free from your job. Please stack your money. If you want to work for yourself, if you want to be your own boss, if you want to, have free time, have freedom, be able to do what you want to do when you want to do it, work with who you want to work with, all that stuff, you need to have money. It sounds cool. The dream is cool. It looks great on YouTube. You see all the travelers doing all this stuff. What they don't be telling you, you need money to do all that. Ain't nobody paying for that but them, unless they, got sponsors and stuff like that. But even then, you still got to survive. You still got to pay your bills. So what I would recommend, stack your funds, but also have 6 months of income stacked up and have an income from one of your clients, or if you could turn your job into a client, like that's what I did. I turned my job into a client and that helped me out a lot. So if you can do that, you'll be great. So that should be your main thing, is to not only stack your funds but learn how to diversify your accounts. Like I said in the past video, I got 5 bank accounts, man, and it helped me out a lot, because back in the day my bank account used to be like a trampoline. Money would come in, jump in, and fly the fuck out. Like it was bad. So diversifying my funds helped me out so much, man. And the key and the reason why you should be having, these 6 months of verifiable income in your account, so you can, you could be straight, is that way you can focus purely on growing your business in that 6 months. If you've been making money leading up to that and you've been hustling and you've been making money and all that, you shouldn't have to worry about that part of it. You should already have created a program or, created anything, so you could be making that money while you're focused purely on it. So the goal is to quit your job and expand the business. The goal is not to quit and just maintain. The goal is to grow. So make sure that you've done that. Make sure that you've done your research. Your ins and outs, your overhead each month, you got all that figured out. Do yourself a favor. Once you quit this job, or once you start working for yourself, make sure that you do everything you can to continue to do that. Don't do it for 6 months, a year, and then have to go back and find a job like I did. It's embarrassing, it sucks, it's terrible. I wouldn't wish it on you, okay? So do yourself a favor, stack your funds. Tip number 2, write your goals down. Not only do you write your goals down, you write them down with a deadline, and you put them on your wall, or you put them on your wallet and or your purse, whatever you're carrying, which you put them in your pocket, whatever. Write them down with pencil or with pen and paper or pencil, don't matter. I use pen because it's more permanent, but write it down with pen and paper. Write down your deadline. Hey, by January 1st, 2023, I want to have this much of my money saved up. Me personally, I say I have this much amount of money saved up, or I have made this much amount of money, and this is why. Because I'm a firm believer in the law of attraction, right? And what I've learned with the law of attraction is to not say I want, to say I have. Because if you say I have, that means you already got it, you already manifested it. Yeah, and you're gonna put the work in. You ain't gonna be one of these people that's gonna say, hey, I'm manifesting $10,000 today, it's gonna come to my doorstep in an Amazon package. It's not gonna happen. So you gotta put the work in. So write your goals down, put them on your wall, put them on your wallet, make 2 copies if you have to. That way you know where you're going, you know what you focused on, you know what you're aiming at. For me, when I write my goals down, it forces me to focus on what I want. Even in the back of my mind, when I take a day off or take 2 days off, I'm still thinking about that goal. You know what I mean? Like, it's coming. That deadline will be here soon. And how much effort or how much progress have I made towards that goal? And that's in the back of my mind replaying. You can't, when you got a goal, you can't put anything above it. Whether it be 2K, the new Madden came out, whatever, the new COD, whatever it is. When you playing this, you're going to be thinking about that goal, because that COD is not getting you no closer to meeting your goal unless COD, you know, becoming a professional gamer, playing COD or something like that is your goal. If it is, I salute you. You're a real one. But if it's not, you need to be. It's okay to take a night off. It's okay to take 2 nights off. But understand that when you do that, you are taking away from your time, putting towards your goals and your dreams. For me, I do take the nights off, but I still know that in the back of my mind, I got to get cracking. I got to get working. I got to figure it out because I'm slipping right now. Tip number 3, discipline. Create a schedule. Now, I got a full video coming on this in the future, but for right now, I'm going to just give you some quick little tips on how I have created a schedule and has helped me not only be more productive, but kept me in check. So my current schedule for my freelance for my freelance company, and it's changed so much over time, but number 1, wake up around 5:30 or 6, meditate. I'm usually fasting right now. I usually don't eat until later, around like 10, but I wake up, meditate, read about 10 pages of a book. Right now I'm reading Contagious by Jonah Berger. I've read it about 6 different times these past couple years. Nipsey Hussle put me on it. After that, I go hit the gym up. You know what I mean? I go to Planet Fitness right down the street. I don't care if you hate Planet Fitness. It got me in shape. It helped me lose 60 pounds. So I don't care. I go to Planet Fitness, get a workout in for an hour and a half, come back, shower. Usually that's when block 1 comes on. So my first block is projects for my clients, you know, whether it be emails, whether it be logos, fixing logos or fixing the website. I read my client emails, I respond, I see what they need from me, I go hunt some more clients, and you know, that's usually for 2 or 3 hours right there. Block number 2, that's creation station. That's where I get to creating apparel, branding from my brand, 86 Visions. I go create t-shirts, hoodies, whatever I need to do, or just marketing things like that. And then number 3 is content marketing hours. So there's 3 hours right here in this block where I create YouTube videos, I write my scripts, I record the video, I edit it, whatever I need to do. And it's been a great schedule, man. It's been helping me stay in track, stay in charge, and just stay on my game, you know. But when you create these blocks, I usually put a do not disturb on my phone and block off all websites. I'll have like videos playing in the background or something like that, positive videos, something to keep me motivated, keep me up and going. It's been helping out a lot, man. This is these 3 tips have helped me stay focused and help me, you know, kind of become who I wanted to become. So I hope these help you guys out a lot as well. But that's the end of the video. If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe, share it with a family member or a friend. I'll truly appreciate it. Thank you guys for the support. Have a great week. I will see you on Saturday with part 2. I got 3 more tips coming that way. So y'all be cool. Hey, y'all be cool. Peace.